Tasty, tasty and twisted, yeah!
I'm bringing the green banana flour from the last recipe back for this recipe. I hope it works. A healthy amount of vanilla should also work well here. Unlike the baking soda from before, this time we'll require baking powder. Roughly a pinch of table salt helps here. The shaker has an S on it too. To replace most processed sugars, I will be using agave nectar. Oil, or butter, whichever suits your fancy. I will be using strawberries to add some sweetness. Only a little bit of almondy goodness helps with this recipe. Yeah, the carton doesn't fit. I will also use whipped cream for smoothie texture and flavor. Measuring equipment! How dare anyone forget! And 4 large eggs completes the ingredient list. Before we get started, wash your hands. Or don't. It's up to you, really. Crack and open your eggs into a mixing bowl. Mix them until well blended. Measure out your baking powder and table salt and add them to the eggs. Do the same thing with the vanilla extract. More vanilla, then mix it all together. Measure and pour the agave nectar in next. Stir it all up and break apart any chunks of baking powder. Now to add the banana flour. Like before, we need to stir it in slowly or it will clump up, kinda like how the baking powder tried to. The mixture should get thick and somewhat dough-like. Oh my god, Pan Man! Oil up those concave bottoms and sides. Pour the batter into the shapes and try to make them as even as you can. Heat up the oven to about 350 degrees and, whilst wearing oven mitts, put the pan in. I have my timer set to 40 minutes, but your oven time may vary. Since I have some time to kill, strawberries. Rinse your strawberries thoroughly before preparing them. Using a knife, cut off the tops of the strawberries and slice up the rest. Save 6 of the strawberries from being sliced like their brethren. Have a snack while you wait. What? And I'm gonna be waiting for a long time. Take the cakes out of the oven mitts, and use the knife trick to pop them out. Mine got slightly overcooked. Cut the cakes in half horizontally so you can add whipped cream and the sliced strawberries before putting the top of the cake back on. Cut a small hole in the top of the cake top so you can fill it with more whipped cream and one of the whole strawberries. Give one to your excited significant other and enjoy your holiday treat. Great for dessert and parties. Pretty good.